Hello and welcome dear students. In a previous lecture we have to seen the Ostwald dilution law. Today we are going to see the numericals which are based upon the Ostwald dilution law. But before discussing the numericals, we focus on the some terms which are generally used in the numericals, and these terms are the monobasic acid means its basicity is 1, means there is a one replaceable hydrogen is there. Simple example is the HCl. In this case there is a one replaceable hydrogen. In this case in acetic acid also there is a one replaceable hydrogen. Okay. HNO3, it is a monobasic because it replaces there is a one replaceable hydrogen atom. Now the dibasic basicity 2 means ऐसा acid जिसमें there are two replaceable hydrogens are there. Example is the H2SO4, H2CO3. Now the tribasic basicity is 3. Example H3PO4 phosphoric acid. Now what about the bases? Now the terms which is used as a monoacidic meaning the acidity जो होगी इसकी 1, ठीक है, acidity जो होगी वो 1 होगी. Now in this case the example जो होगा NaOH means replaceable OH are there. How many replaceable OH? If the base contain one replaceable OH, then such a type of the base called as the monoacidic. Okay, diacidic, then acidity जो होगी ये 2 होगी, means example triacidic. Okay, now in this case acidity 3, and examples are the ferric hydroxide, aluminum hydroxides वगैरह. ठीक. Now there are certain the terms which are generally used, and wording, उस wording का ये क्या होगा, meaning क्या होगा in case of the concentration. Then the molar solution means 1 molar. Semi-molar means half molar, that is the 0.5 molar. Decimolar 1/10 means 0.1 molar. Centimolar, correct, 1/100 means 0.01 molar, and millimolar means 1/1000, 0.01. Such a type of the terms generally used in the numericals. Okay. Now we have to see the certain important formulas which are generally helpful to solve the numericals. Okay, so alpha means degree of dissociation. It is nothing but the number of moles ionized upon the total number of the moles present. Percent dissociation alpha into 100. For weak acid the dissociation constant जो होगा Ka is equal to alpha square C अपन 1 minus alpha, but directly अपन ने यहाँ पे लिया alpha square C for weak base. Okay, Kb is equal to alpha square C. For two solutions of weak electrolyte, if there are two solutions, then at that time the alpha 2 square upon alpha 1 square is equal to the C1 upon C2, or the alpha 2 square C2 square is equal to alpha 1 square C1. Okay, so generally these are formulas which are helpful to solve, which are generally used to solve the numericals. Now see the first numerical which is related to the Ostwald dilution law is, first read it. Then a weak monobasic acid, weak monobasic acid. Okay, monobasic acid. Monobasic acid means ऐसा acid there is a one replaceable hydrogen is there, correct, मोनोबेसिक एसिड इज 0.05% डिसोसिएटेड. कितना? 0.05% डिसोसिएट इन 0.02 मोलर सॉल्यूशन. यानी 0.02 मोलर सॉल्यूशन में उसका जो परसेंट डिसोसिएशन है वो कितना है? 0.05. ओके, नाउ कैलकुलेट द डिसोसिएशन कांस्टेंट ऑफ द एसिड. Calculate dissociation constant of acid. Now first write down the givens, ठीक है, which are present in the numerical solution. The given क्या क्या दिया हुआ है वो देख लो, क्योंकि जो भी गिवन वैल्यूज होगी उसके ऊपर से हमें फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना होगा. So given is the percent dissociation. Okay, कितना है? 0.05%. Now the concentration of the solution is given, that is C is equal to 0.02 molar, means okay 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 molar. correct? पॉइंट को शिफ्ट कर दिया. Okay, now by using these values we have to use the formula so as to calculate the dissociation constant of the weak acid. So we know that the dissociation constant for the weak acid is the Ka is equal to alpha square C. ठीक है, alpha square C. But before substituting the values, first find out the alpha. हमें क्या निकालना होगा? अल्फा, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन निकालना होगा, because in this case there is given percent dissociation is given. So by using the percent dissociation we can calculate the value of degree of dissociation. So first find out the degree, means the alpha. So the alpha is equal to क्या होगा? परसेंट डिसोसिएशन अपॉन 100. ओके, परसेंट डिसोसिएशन अपॉन 100, ये वाला फॉर्मूला है, मींस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू परसेंट डिसोसिएशन अपॉन 100. Then percent dissociation is 0.05 upon 100, means क्या हो जाएगा? 5 into 10 raised to the power. ओके, ये -2 और ये ऊपर जाने के बाद -2 means the 4. So the degree of dissociation it is 5 into 10 raised to the power -4. ओके, या फिर अपन लिख सकते थे क्या? 0.05 इंटू 10 raised to the power -2 लिखा. ठीक है, -2, बट इसको मैंने कन्वर्ट कर दिया, पॉइंट शिफ्टिंग कर दिया. नाउ बाय यूजिंग दिस अल्फा वी कैन राइट द Ka is equal to the alpha square C. Now substitute the value of the alpha. ठीक है, substitute the value of the alpha and C. Then the value of alpha is 5 into 10 raised to the power -4 into C 2 into 10 raised to the power -2. Then in this case square, whole square. Now in this case the square of the 5, it is 25 into 10 raised to the power -8 into 2 into 10 raised to the power -2. Now in this case 50, 25 into 2, 50 into 10 raised to the power कितना हो गया ये? ओके, -10. Now again shift the point, decimal point, then 5 into 10 raised to the power -9. It is the dissociation constant for the weak acid. ये क्या हो गया? इसका आंसर हो गया। Let us see the second numerical, and second numerical is the dissociation constant of NH4OH is 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Calculate its degree of dissociation in 0.01 molar solution. Okay, now in this case the NH4OH it is a weak base. Okay, so the dissociation constant is the Kb. The dissociation constant is Kb. So the given is Kb is given for NH4OH and it is 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Calculate its degree of dissociation in 0.01 molar solution, means the concentration is given, means C is given 0.01 molar. ठीक है, now for a weak base we know that for weak base Kb is equal to the alpha square C. ठीक है, अल्फा स्क्वायर C. नाउ अपने को निकालना क्या है, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन निकालना है. सो रीअरेंज दिस इक्वेशन, देन अल्फा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू Kb अपॉन C. ठीक, नाउ the alpha is equal to under root of square root of the Kb upon C. Now substitute the value of Kb and the concentration, then the alpha is equal to the Kb is 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 upon 0.01. ठीक है, 0.01. then in this case 1.8 into 10 raised to the power, ये minus 2 means minus 3, means in this case alpha is equal to 1. डेसिमल पॉइंट को शिफ्ट कर देता हूं, then 18 into 10 raised to the power 18 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. डेसिमल पॉइंट को शिफ्ट कर दिए. अब इसका जो रूट है, स्क्वायर रूट जो है, ये अपने को लॉग टेबल से देखना होगा. नाउ इट्स वैल्यू कम्स टू बी द 4.242 इंटू इसका जो स्क्वायर रूट होगा वो 10 raised to the power minus 2. पावर को भी यहां से रिमूव कर देते हैं, देन इट्स कम्स टू बी 0.04242 is the degree of dissociation for the NH4OH in 0.01 molar solution. Now we have to discuss the third example. Now the third example is a weak monobasic acid is 12% dissociated in the 0.05 molar solution. What is the percent dissociation in 0.15 molar solution? Means in this case solution जो है ये दो कंसंट्रेशन का है और एक कंसंट्रेशन पे यहाँ पे फिर उसका क्या परसेंट डिसोसिएशन दिया हुआ है. सो द परसेंट डिसोसिएशन इन द another concentration. So now by using these values we can easily calculate the percent dissociation in 0.15 molar solution. So the solution, if alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the values of degree of dissociation, okay, dissociation at two concentration C1 and C2 respectively, okay. Let or if alpha 1 and alpha be the degree of dissociation at the concentration C1 and C2, okay. तो फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट दी परसेंट डिसोसिएशन पे से पहले आप इस कंसंट्रेशन के लिए क्या निकाल लो, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन निकाल लो, डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन. सो फर्स्ट इन दिस केस now in this case the alpha is equal to percent dissociation upon 100, okay, means percent dissociation कितना है 12% upon 100 means क्या हो गया 12 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, correct, 12 into the power 12 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 is the alpha, okay. Now in this case suppose it is considered as this is alpha 1 means 12 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 for the means at the concentration C1 is equal to 0.05 molar, correct. Now what about the C2 concentration के लिए C2 कितना है 0.15 मोलर, तो इसके लिए अल्फा 2 क्या होगा ये फाइंड आउट करना है हमें, ठीक है. नाउ इन दिस केस कि Ka is equal to alpha square C, so for first concentration we can write the Ka is equal to alpha 1 square C1, correct. सॉल्यूशन जो है वो एक ही है बट कंसंट्रेशन अलग अलग है. सो द Ka is equal to alpha 1 square C1 and Ka is equal to alpha 2 square C2, ठीक है. सो in this case left hand side equal है तो equate the right hand side also. So the alpha 2 square C2 is equal to the alpha 1 square C1, ठीक है. alpha 1 square C1 हमें निकालना क्या है alpha 2 की वैल्यू निकालना है. So the alpha 2 square is equal to alpha 1 square C1 upon C2. Now substitute the values of alpha 1, C1 and C2. Then alpha 1 is 12 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 into C1 is 0.05 upon the C2 is 0.15, okay, 15 in this case square, ठीक. नाउ इसको अपने को सॉल्व करना होगा by taking the log and its value comes to be 0.0048 आप लोगों ने इसको log लेके इसको सॉल्व करना है and its value comes to be 0.0048. Now in this case the alpha 2 is equal to root of, ठीक है, square root of 0.0048 and it's comes to be 0.0693 0.0693, it is the alpha. But हमें क्या पूछा है कि what is the percent dissociation? So the percent dissociation is percent dissociation, okay, percent dissociation is equal to alpha into 100. So the alpha is 0.0693, okay, into 100 means it is 6.93% is the percent dissociation in 0.15 molar solution. 0.15 molar solution. Let us see the next numerical. Calculate H3O positive hydronium ion concentration is in 0.1 molar dm cube solution of acetic acid. But in this case given is dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 to the power 5. By using the dissociation constant and the concentration, है ना, हमें क्या निकालना है कि इसका कंसंट्रेशन निकालना है. क्या निकालना है? Concentration of the hydronium ion in 0.1 molar solution. Okay. So in this case the given C is equal to 0.1, ठीक है, 0.1 moles dm cube means 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 1. Ka is given, Ka is 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, ठीक है, minus 5. हमें यहाँ कंसंट्रेशन को निकालना है, मीन्स H3O positive, then at equilibrium the acetic acid CH3COOH, okay, it dissociates into, by taking the water, means in water, CH3COOH plus H2O, then dissociates into the CH3COO negative plus, now in this case acid, it behaves as a base, means H3O positive. Now what is the concentration of acetic acid at the equilibrium condition? इसके पहले हमने ओसो डाइल्यूशन लॉ में देखा हुआ है. Now 1 minus alpha upon V, 1 by V means C, then 1 minus alpha into C, it is the concentration, correct? Now it is in excess quantity. The concentration of CH3COO negative is alpha by V, means number of moles present per dm cube, correct now? Per dm cube means 1 by V NHC, so we can write the alpha C, and in this case also the alpha C. C is given, है ना? C is given, जो सॉल्यूशन का ये है कंसंट्रेशन ये दिया हुआ है, हमें उस सॉल्यूशन में इसके कंसंट्रेशन को फाइंड आउट करना है. अल्फा ये नहीं है, बट बाय यूजिंग द Ka and C we can easily determine the alpha. So the Ka is equal to alpha square C, then alpha square is equal to Ka upon C, means alpha is equal to the under root of Ka upon C. Now substitute the value. इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? Now 1.8 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 upon now in this case 10 raised to the power minus 1 ओके, ये ऊपर गया, देन इट बिकम्स -4 एंड इट्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1.8, ये आपको लॉग टेबल में देखना होगा, एंड इट्स वैल्यू इज 1.34 into 10 raised to the power, ये क्या था -4, so -2, it is the degree of dissociation. So dissociation. Now अब हम मोलर कंसेंट्रेशन इसका निकाल सकते हैं in this equation, means in this solution acetic acid. So the H3O positive is equal to, है ना, क्या है, अल्फा इंटू सी, मीन्स अल्फा इंटू सी, अल्फा इज 1.34 into 10 raised to the power -2. Now C is 10 raised to the power -1, means its concentration, okay, H3O positive is 1.34 into 10 raised to the power -3 moles. ठीक है, moles dm cube, moles dm cube. Now let us see the another example. The acetic acid is 5% ionized in its decimolar. Decimolar means क्या, 1/10 mole. ठीक है, 1/10 means its meaning is 0.1 molar. ठीक है, solution. Calculate the dissociation constant of an acid. Now the given क्या क्या दिया हुआ है इसमें, परसेंट आयोनाइजेशन दिया हुआ है, कितना, 5% ionization is 5%, okay, and second thing is concentration is given, means C is equal to decimolar means 1/10 mole means 0.1 mole, okay. Now calculate the dissociation constant of an acid. So we know that the Ka for the weak acid is equal to alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha. ठीक है, there is no use of alpha square C only. Why? The reason is that in this case the degree of ionization of acetic acid it is 5, and if the degree of dissociation it is greater than that of the 5 or it is equal to that of the 5, then this degree it is not small, it is very not, means it is not very small, means it cannot be neglected. इसको हम neglect नहीं कर पाएंगे. तब in case if the degree of dissociation it is greater than that of the 5 or equal to that of the 5, then use the formula for determination of the Ka, that is the alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha. Now substitute the values in this case, okay. So first find out the alpha. So the alpha is equal to the 5 upon 100, means 5 into 10 raised to the power -2 is the alpha. ये अपन इस परसेंट आयोनाइजेशन पे से निकला. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू, 5 into 10 raised to the power -2, ठीक है, होल स्क्वायर into C means 0.1, okay, means 10 raised to the power -1, okay, -1. Now upon 1 minus 0.1, then 25 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 means it comes to be minus 5 upon 0.995. समझो हम इसको सोल्व करते हैं, देन इट्स वैल्यू कम्स टू बी 2.63, ओके, 2.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 4, क्या आएगा minus 4, ओके, 2.63 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. इसको आपने log से सॉल्व कर लेना है. log लेते समय यहाँ पे आपने log लेने का, उसका एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन जो भी होगा एंटी log लेके फिर सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है. सो मैंने तो यहाँ डायरेक्टली वैल्यू लिख दिया है. सो दीज आर द 5 न्यूमेरिकल्स which are based upon the Ostwald dilution law. इसके अलावा भी आप इससे रिलेटेड जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स है वो लेके भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, ओके.